I've spent the last 20 years of my life dedicated to the salon industry. I've seen everything. Now, my passion lies with sharing great content with people all over the world. I'm going to create something very unique where I'm putting two of the best barbers up against each other in a one-on-one competition. This is Head to Head. What is going on, everybody? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to another episode of Head to Head, where I'm bringing the best local barbers together to battle in a one-on-one competition.
My name is Vincent Santiago, and I've been a barber for about 2.5 years. I work in New Look Barbershop in Union, New Jersey. As of right now, I'm working 6 days a week. On my free time, I teach education classes and do barber battles. My dad always said, you know, when you get a job, when you look for a career, you want to do something that's always going to be needed, something that never runs out of date, you know, something that someone can't take away from you. And one day I was getting a haircut and my barber messed up my hairline. So I went home and I did my own haircut and I kind of liked it. And from there it was kind of like a snowball effect.
My name is Carlos Arce, go by Los the Barber. I've been a barber for a little over 10 years now. Well, I became a barber by accident. I was cutting out my basement, friends, family. And I was at a point in my life where I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what career to pursue. And my brother actually told me, he said, hey, why don't you go to school to be a barber? You know? And I was like, ding, you know what, you're right, let me do this. Went to ABI in Manhattan, and I haven't stopped since. It's been full throttle since. I love the concept. I think this is good for the culture, not just for barbering, but just for the hair industry in general. You know, it's good to mix cultures, especially somebody like the Salon Guy bringing barbers into his world and actually giving us a platform that other people haven't given us. You know, I think it's dope. I'm stoked for this. I think I'm gonna win, not just based off my experience, but if the viewers pay attention to detail, my work speaks for itself, man. I'm pretty confident.
I like this competition, the idea of it a lot. He's one of the first people doing it. It's good for exposure for me and the other barber. There's no way it can be fixed because the viewers are able to vote. So I think I'm gonna win this competition because I'm young, I'm ambitious, I'm hungry, I'm eager. I'm gonna take on anyone who's older than me. It doesn't matter. Age is just nothing but a number.
All right, guys, so the time is up, and now is the most interesting part of this battle, where each barber gets to see the other barber's work. Now let's get the reaction.
Yeah, the barber. Lines could have been a little bit sharper. I mean, 10 plus years of experience, could have been a lot better.
To be honest, he has a lot of experience to catch up on. It could be a lot sharper, blends could be a lot, more tight. But all in all, I got nothing negative to say about him necessarily, but I think the viewers are gonna see clearly who's the better barber.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, I'm where that at. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got that cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roots.
You guys need to vote for me, man. I gave you guys a little bit of everything. I gave you scissor cuts, fade, little line work. I styled it, product. What more do you want? The proof is in the pudding. Let me know what you think.
You guys should vote for me. I'm young, ambitious, I'm hungry, and overall, I have the better haircut.
All right, guys, so now it's up to you to vote for the winner. So go to my community tab and you'll see each of the barbers listed, and it's up to you to choose who you think won episode 9 of Head to Head. So you'll see each one of their names here so you know who's who, but they're counting on your votes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for episode 10 of Head to Head.